Meaning of flashy.
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 Flashy. The word flashy is an adjective used to describe something showy or attention-grabbing, often in a way that is excessive or ostentatious. It suggests a sense of flamboyance or extravagance, sometimes with a negative connotation. A person or object that is considered flashy is typically seen as trying too hard to make an impression or attract notice. It can be used to describe anything from clothing or accessories to behavior or personality traits. In short, the term flashy implies a focus on superficial appearance and a lack of substance or depth.